Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Frederick Owusu from TradersClub24, and today I will do this video because of Mr. Schurholz is a bit busy today. And today, this morning, at the 12th June of 2018, we want to trade the market opening at DAX. So we will trade the open range breakout as usual is 8:51 in Germany AM, and I will place my box lines at the top at this range. As you can see, this brown range is 59.28, and my pending orders are 15 points, so we want to take out of the market like 7.5 points. Okay, so I will put my entry on and I will switch it to on. We will be in the market shortly. Okay, we are waiting. So this is the Swiss box, and our size is 0.2, and our target would be 0.1. So we have like 7 minutes left till the market open, but we are in our first trade now. It's a short. Okay, the market's open now. So let's see. It's moving fast. The market's moving fast. Okay, the market is coming to our direction. Yes. Okay, a bit more. 3 points. We need 3 points. 3 points left. And we need one more push. We are out. This winning short trade. Okay, good. We had this little push. It's our 410th consecutive trade that we are winning. I'm sorry. So very good. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you tomorrow, guys. So I will show you the trade. 1 second. Second. Here, this is the short trade. We got out of here. Our entry was up here. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.